Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models from Zojirushi, the 6-cup rice cooker and the advanced nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 Neuro fuzzy rice cooker. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker is priced at an affordable $79, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 Neuro fuzzy rice cooker comes with a premium price tag of $301, reflecting its advanced technology and features. While the NS-10 is perfect for basic rice cooking, the higher investment in the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 promises superior performance and versatility. The Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker utilizes a basic mechanical heating system, which is straightforward but can lead to inconsistent results. On the other hand, the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 employs neuro-fuzzy logic technology, allowing it to automatically adjust cooking times and temperatures for different rice types. This ensures perfectly cooked rice every time, making it a standout in the market. The Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker is designed for simplicity, offering basic cooking and steaming functions. However, it lacks specialized settings for different types of rice. In contrast, the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 boasts multiple menu options, including settings for brown rice, sushi, and porridge, making it a versatile choice for various cooking needs. This advanced functionality caters to both novice and experienced cooks alike. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker and the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 Neuro fuzzy rice cooker have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable, straightforward option, the NS-10 is a great choice. However, if you want the best in rice cooking technology and versatility, the nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.